See, Quico, we are basically a startup. And for startup, you really have to go out and get as many partners as possible, as many people who can help you to reach maximum number of people, right? So the moment we saw the event online, so we thought that this is the right platform for us. We are into personal finance, and first product has to do with filing e-returns, right? So and this is the time, the season has just started, so this was a right opportunity at the right time with right partners, so we couldn't have effort to miss it. Yeah. uh, yeah, of course. From startup perspective, see, India is growing like anything, and especially in technology and digital space, we are growing at great amount, and growth rate is amazing. So it we have to be ahead, and we have to be there with that growth. We have to be as fast as the industry is growing, as fast as the competitors are growing, right? So uh, for us at this moment, any kind of partner who can help us take our product to people, or who can be benefited from our product as well. So yeah, I'll give you an example that whoever we have talked today, it's not about just this season or 1 year. People are talking about long term relationships, and they are also looking at the opportunities that they will have once we grow, right? So I think any partnership which can be mutually benefited, maybe less for some and more for some, but mutually benefited, is a good partnership, right? uh, the kind of people here are, and of course the way you guys have managed the event. Yeah.